guys, in this video I wanna be sharing with you one particular stock that I think is about to go beyond the 10x mark, double, triple or quadruple, whatever that you call it. This one stock, I've been holding it like throughout 2020 and it has done wonderfully well for me, and I think it will be great to share it with you so that you can find inspiration and maybe add it on in your portfolio in case you like it. As you can see, we're down for the last day of trading, and 2020 has been like one of the rough years, if not the roughest year in the market that we've seen like over the past 10 years. But despite all that that has happened in 2020, the virus and everything, and the stock market crash a bit around March, we actually managed to pull through the year and did wonderful for our portfolio. As you can see right here, we are way up than where we actually started in this year. So yeah guys, I would like to share in with you the stock that I've been keeping on purchasing over and over in 2020, and that I'll be most likely keeping on adding onto it coming into 2021, because like I think it's a really wonderful company. It's a really wonderful stock that got a lot of upside potential with it. Right here I got my portfolio. As you can see, I'm holding like a lot of symbols in my portfolio, and most of the things that I'm holding in my portfolio are actually in the green, which means like it's going well for me so far. Hopefully it keeps on going well for me going into 2020. And most of the things that I have right here on my portfolio, I'll be making videos about them and sharing with you guys so that you can see what am I actually holding and where are these results that I have right here coming from. Because like I don't want to be just like talking about good results without showing you where are they coming from. I'll be making videos with each and every individual thing that I have right here, so that you guys can see and maybe find inspiration to have something that you can have in your portfolio too, that is doing well for me and does well for all of us. Like right here I got this thing made about 3.2k from it with just 75 shares, not many, still at about $74 per share. This is like something that I'll be talking about, that I'll be making a video about too. It's just a lot of like wonderful things that I have here that I want to share with you guys in the next upcoming videos. But for now I want to talk with you about this one particular stock that is actually my main watch for 2021, that I think is gonna go the 10x mark. Look at this thing, over 1.3k with just 60 shares only. I'll be talking about this in future videos, so make sure to like and subscribe to actually find more and more interesting stuff that I'll be doing in the upcoming videos, so that you also don't miss out on these wonderful things that are on a skyrocketing journey, that are going to the moon, that are just giving so much gains in such a short period of time. Whatever you call it, growth stocks or whatever, that's what I'm all about here, and I'll be sharing with you guys. Right now we are going straight to that one particular stock that I want to share with you guys, which is my main focus for today. And this thing and the stock that I want to share with you guys is the stock with the ticker symbol ZDGE. As you can see, they are in the package software sector. Let's quickly look into their monthly data. they've been like having like a steady rise to the upside in 2020. This has been like a wonderful stock for us. We've been keeping on buying this thing all year throughout, and we're going to be keeping on buying it all year throughout. Same for 2021. Look at the price history for this thing. It was just at about 66 cents a share. It went as high as $6.5 per share. This is like super amazing, and I think still think there's way more room for this to grow. It's still very early for this thing. So yeah, this is the stock I wanted to share with you guys that I'll be keeping a closer eye on going to 2021, as I think like there's still more room for this to grow. I'm looking forward to this thing like trading at above $100 per share, and I've been adding it up since it was at about 70 cents or something throughout the year. So yeah guys, I'll be keeping on updating with you as to what's happening with this ticker symbol or this stock in future videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Cheers.